We have to find the value of x in this equation, and because we have 3 fractions, 2 on one side and 1 on the other side of the equal sign, we're going to start combining the 2 fractions that are on this side, then we introduce the third fraction. Now when we are adding or subtracting 2 fractions that have different denominators, we follow 2 steps. We multiply the denominators together, then we cross multiply. Today's equation is quite different because we already have x squared. When we multiply x squared by x, it's going to create a cubic equation. So to avoid that, we're going to factorize this denominator, then we move on to multiplying these two denominators together. The factors of minus 3 that will give us minus 2 are plus 1 and minus 3. Now to position this denominator so that it starts with a positive x, we're going to take the negative sign outside of the bracket, which also changes the sign of a positive 3 to a negative 3. This negative sign is divided by this negative sign, which gives us a positive. So this is the same as minus 1 divided by minus 1, which gives us a positive 1. Now we multiply the denominators together, then we cross multiply. We are not going to multiply inside of the brackets as yet until we have nothing common on the left hand side of the equal sign with the right hand side. When we cross multiply, we start this side. So 5x plus 9 is multiplied by x minus 3 plus, because we have a plus sign in the middle, then this denominator is multiplied by 2x. Now we have a common factor on the numerator. On this side of the plus sign, we have x minus 3. And on this side of the plus sign, we also have x minus 3. So we're going to take out the common factor so that it cancels out another on the denominator. Now we introduce the third fraction by cross multiplying. So 5x plus 9 is multiplied by x plus 1. And this is also multiplied by x plus 1. On this side, this denominator is multiplied by x. We now have another common factor. On this side of the equal sign, we have x plus 1. And on this side, we also have x plus 1. So we're going to take out the common factor on this side and divide by x plus 1 on both sides of the equal sign so that we eliminate it from the equation. Now that we have nothing common on the right hand side of the equal sign with the left hand side, we can now multiply inside the brackets. 2x multiplied by x is 2x squared, and 2x multiplied by 1 is 2x. X multiplied by x is x squared, and x multiplied by a negative 3 is negative 3x. Now we take everything to the left side of the equal sign and group the like terms. These two will give us x squared, 5, 2, and 3x will give us 10x. Then we have a positive 9. The factors of 9 that will give us 10 are a positive 1 and a positive 9. So x is equal to minus 1 or x is equal to minus 9. Now that we have the x values, we have to see if these are the right x values by substituting each x value with x on the original equation. The correct value of x will balance the left side of the equation with the right hand side. Substituting minus 1 with x into the original equation gives us an undefined answer, and that is because a division by 0 is undefined. If we substitute minus 9 with x into the original equation, on the left side of the equal sign we get 9 over 8, and on the right side we also get 9 over 8, so minus 9 is the right solution. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like to know where you find a challenge in this chapter, so please leave a comment. We'll see you on the next video.